What is the safest and most effective way to clean a magnetic strip credit card?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a topic that's incredibly important but often overlooked: how to clean a magnetic strip credit card. It's a simple process, but done wrong, it could damage your card or even compromise its functionality. So let's dive in and make sure we're doing it safely and effectively.
Why is cleaning a magnetic strip credit card important?
Your credit card can carry dirt and grime just like any other item you regularly handle. This can lead to issues with the card's magnetic strip, potentially causing it to malfunction when swiped at a card reader. Regular, gentle cleaning can help maintain the strip in good condition and ensure its longevity.
What you'll need.
To clean your magnetic strip credit card effectively and safely, you'll need a few basic supplies. 1. A soft cloth. This should be clean and non-abrasive. Microfiber is a good choice. 2. Water. A little bit will do. We don't want to soak the card. 3. Mild soap. Anything too harsh could damage the card. 4. Isopropyl alcohol. Optional. A bit of rubbing alcohol can help sanitize the card, but it's not strictly necessary.
The cleaning process.
First, lightly dampen your cloth with water and apply a small amount of mild soap. You don't want to drench the cloth. You only need it to be slightly moist. Next, gently wipe the magnetic strip on your credit card. Be sure to do this lightly to avoid damaging the strip. Make sure you also clean the front and back of the card. If you've chosen to use isopropyl alcohol, apply a small amount to a different corner of the cloth. Again, lightly wipe the strip and card surfaces. This can help to sanitize the card, which is especially useful in times of illness or a known contagion. After you've cleaned the card, let it air dry completely before putting it back into your wallet or card holder. This step is essential to prevent water damage to the card and its magnetic strip.
Things to avoid.
When cleaning your credit card, there are some common mistakes you'll want to avoid. Don't use abrasive materials or harsh chemicals. These could scratch or otherwise damage the magnetic strip. Don't soak the card. A bit of water is fine, but soaking the card could cause the layers to separate or other damage. Don't scrape or scrub the magnetic strip. Always be gentle to avoid damage. And that's it. That's the safest and most effective way to clean your magnetic strip credit card. It's a simple process, but important for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your card. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Stay safe and happy swiping!